Guys, welcome back to my channel, The Wealthy Mindset. It's yours truly, Money Making Mitch. And as usual, guys, this is not financial advice. Please do your own due diligence and research. So, quite a lot is happening to where NEO shares could hit over $7 this week. Let's start with this. Chinese LiDAR manufacturer Hesai Technology announced a new partnership with a leading United States of America robotaxi company, signing a contract worth over $40 million. You heard that right. The same country that the US media, guys like Jimmy Hat Kramer will tell you is uninvestable. They tell the middle class don't invest over there while they buy products from them, because of course there's a reason why they do that. They're the leader in the EV race. They're the leader in the green energy space. When it comes to phone, laptops, what have you, they're a leader now. But they will tell you it's an uninvestable country. While all that is happening, NEO is about to roll out a new accessory called the Link Control Knob. It's designed to let control certain vehicle functions simply by rotating it, which you can place anywhere in the car. You can place it anywhere in the car to use as a customizable shortcut. So it's probably a wireless piece of a device. Whilst all that is also happening, we saw that the ES8 factory is up and running, most likely. It was all over social media yesterday. And I want to thank Neo San Francisco, who's over there in China, for sending me that information. So I did say that before NEO Day, the F3 factory will be completed, because they will have to be pumping out these EVs. Well, they're already pumping them out in a massive way. And also, the all-new ES8 could be NEO's first model in years to ship with its full smart driving system available at delivery, bringing us closer to L4 driverless technology. So, like I said, there's a lot going on. And I said this is the harvesting period where the CEO said it. It's our harvesting period where we invested billions of dollars in research and development. What the shorts and what the propaganda machine on Wall Street would say was cash burn. But now Wall Street is changing its tune because JP Morgan is on board. And I said that before, they're the biggest propaganda machine on Wall Street, and whatever they say goes. So now they give us an $8 price target, but the illiterate shorts still aren't paying attention. The retail ones, who I said will lose every penny. While all that is also happening, this NEO Day 2025, undoubtedly the launch of the all-new ES8, according to NEO, vehicles are already being shipped nationwide to ensure launch to delivery readiness. Yes, you heard that right. And that basically means they're following in the footsteps of the L90. So the full article can be found on China EV Home. It says NEO rolls out nationwide shipments of the all-new ES8 ahead of NEO Day. Boom! This is why when people were coming on my channel and saying the CEO needs to step down, they said, as if they can do a better job than the CEO, the man with the vision, the man who started it all. You see, those are the ones who had like 50 shares, 100 shares, pooping in their nasty little pants. Those are the ones that will always die poor. People are thinking NEO will go to $100. NEO is going to go to $1,000 in the future. The $100 pumpers are the ones who will come and go and never become wealthy. NEO has begun nationwide shipments of its all-new ES8 ahead of the model's official launch. On September 15, NEO announced that the all-new ES8 has begun nationwide shipments. In preparation for its upcoming launch and deliveries, the model will make its official debut on September 20th, this Saturday. during NEO Day 2025. Pre-orders for the ES8 open on August 21st, offering 3 trims, a 7-seat, just like the L90, Executive Luxury Edition, a 6-seat Executive Luxury Edition, and a 6-seat Executive Signature Edition. Pricing starts at $58,500 with the battery. We all know on the launch day, they may announce even probably $56,500 and $43,400 if you choose battery as a service. So one of my well, I don't think he's a subscriber. He put a comment on my last video today, on my first video, sorry, asking, do I think battery as a service, how many people who chose battery as a service is happy with it? And I said to him, that's an easy question. All you have to do is look at how many swaps and is it growing or not? Just a little common sense and critical thinking. Compared with the second generation, so the second generation started at $74,200 US. Now it starts at $58,500. The harvesting season has begun. NEO does not disclose order numbers, but if we calculate by the hour, the all-new ES8 has already surpassed last month's demands of the Onvo L90. You heard that right. NEO said, President King Lee Hong speaking a day after the new model's unveiling, the new ES8 officially opened for nationwide test drive on September 10th, according to NEO. The first day saw strong demand across dealerships, with some stores reporting test drive booking extending past midnight to the wee hours of the morning. So, since the launch of the first generation model in 2017, combined sales of the 2 generations of the ES8 have exceeded 93,000 units. NEO founder William Lee emphasized during the launch event that the ES8 has become the top-selling 3-row premium electric SUV among Chinese brands, and also the overall sales leader in the 3-row pure electric SUV segment in China, regardless of price strategy. The year 2025 marks a major product and infrastructure push for NEO. Alongside the Onvo L80 and the new ES8, the company has launched 7 other models so far. The ET9, the ES6, the EC6, the ET5, the ET5 Touring, and the Onvo L90. And the first model from NEO's third brand, Firefly. Looking ahead, Lee revealed during the company's second quarter earnings call that NEO plans to launch 2 additional large SUVs under the NEO brand next year. Yes, the ES9 and ES7 together with the Onvo L80. NEO will have 3 new large SUVs scheduled for delivery in 2026. So they will be unveiled on NEO Day as well, most likely. Get ready and buckle up, guys. I said it from the start. This company will make us multi-millionaires, and this is just the beginning. This year we're growing from a sapling into a little tree. Next year into a powerful tree. By the end of the year into a small forest. And by the following year, unstoppable. I hope you guys found this video yet again to be informational, inspirational, and motivational. Let's go, guys. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up right there and hype it. It takes a lot of time to do these videos and the editing. And if you haven't yet subscribed, you might want to think about doing so, because in this channel, we are waking up the middle class for the first time to get a major piece of the pie from the ground level up as to how the games are played on Wall Street. And like 50 said, we get rich or we die trying, guys.